action.
Hi, it's me, Violet, and I'm going to show you this doughy slime. It's edible. I added bananas and cornstarch and food dye. I made it yellow because it is a banana. It's really stretchy. It's not sticky at all. It's kind of sticky. And it's like doughy, like my other slime was doughy too, but this one's more doughy, like more stretchy, because my other one was hard to stretch. So first, it's easier to get a smushed banana because it's easier to smush it. This one was a rotten one, like not rotten, like brown. So that was easy to crush. Then I smushed it and I added cornstarch and then I played with it a lot. Then I added food dye to my hands. Then I played with the dough. Then that's how I got it all yellowy because I didn't want it that yellow. That's why I put it on my hands. That's why my hands are all yellow. So,
What's the name of it?
I'm gonna name it no, I don't know. Banana